Hello and welcome everybody. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thursday, we're ready to have a thunderous Thursday. Okay, I am Alberto German, live from Miami. I'm gonna be reading the S&P 500 emini all morning long. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be doing live, real time, as it's happening. Okay, as it's happening. That's what I do every single day. We're gonna do it today. We did it yesterday. We're gonna do it tomorrow, God willing. And let's jump into it. All right off the bat, I can tell you right now that these 27, right? 527. Okay, maybe a little bit lower. 27, 26. Hold on a second. I'm just getting it. All right, let's make it 25. 525. Let's say. This is our game plan for that, right? So we need to see what the market's been doing, the price action being analyzing. We got to have a plan, right? So that we are prepared when the time comes. We're going to pay attention, real close attention to 525. Okay? As long as the price is below 525, then I'm expecting a continuation down all the way to the Globex low, break, and '09, right? This low right here is gonna be a little bit strong. There will be teenagers going long there, okay? At the low, 708, right? So right now, the bears are in complete control. Now, the funny thing is that this 425 is a key level. So it's really important, right? It's only 9:02, and we still have 28 minutes to the open, right? Okay, price right now 22, right? And the price is going to be looking to hog this key level 25. All right, that's how the smart money shakes everybody out. Oh my God, those that know the importance of 25, they're going to be looking. So in other words, so 25, right? What is the pivot high? 27. But it is 25, the one that is going to mark the divider. Okay, so where's the price right now? 21. Expecting a continuation down. So in other words, this 27 is stronger than where we are at right now, 20, now 19, and then we have another pivot low 16. It'll be taken. It'll be taken. Okay, those are the odds, and it'll continue going down. So right now we have a bearish bias. That's the big picture. That's what divides the entire market environment. Let's go look for the current wave to see what the bulls and bears are doing. Okay, let's see. Right, those of you paying attention. Yesterday we made 45 points, right? And we had the market hit our target 1, 2, and 3, and as pretty much when the market is in a trending day, which is 20% of the time, right? Then we have a last target, right? We go for it completely, and last target was 17. Those of you who remember. So yeah, sure, the price only went to our target 3 yesterday. Remember, 27, 28, unbelievably to the tick. And when I don't, those of you old timers, you know that when I don't get it during the regular trading hours, it's a good chance that I'm gonna get it Globex. Boom, price. Look at price just went to 10, right? So we hit that 17 for those of you who, had that one last unit stop break even, start trailing, that you are just even gonna set and forget. You got taken out at 17 yesterday. So you made what, like 55 points? All right, that was yesterday. So the price goes to 10, and look at what happened. It goes right back to that 17. Tell me that's not crazy, right? Look at that. It goes to 17 about an hour ago, and now we are in this. Okay, so we're gonna call it a snake wave sideways until I give you new information. All right. So let's see what's going on. So yesterday, 25 key level, bears in control, hugging that level. 23 minutes to open. It's a trading plan. We're warming up. We're getting to see what it is this smart money is up to. All right, so this is what we all want to know, right? Is this sell-off going to continue? And if it's going to continue, where is it going to go? Is it going to go to the low? Is it going to go to 10? And if it is it going to break it? And, right, 45.10 is the low, right? We all can see it. And 10, oh, gee, that's far away. Okay, hold on a second. I have a predetermined pivot, support. It's pretty far down, but it's okay. I'm gonna give it to you anyway. Hold on a second. All right, so we know that the bears are in control right now. We know that the bears are in control right now because of 25. We know that it could be hog. We know it's 25 minutes to open, but right now, if somebody's got to be in a play, it's short. All righty. Okay. At what time did I open the? Mic? Right at 9. Right. So since 22, we've known that the bears are in control, and that I'm expecting a test of the low. And right, the globe is low. Everybody, even the teenagers the millionaire teenagers on YouTube, even they know that, right? Okay, no problem. All right, and the forecast is that it will be taken, right? 10, right? 16, 10, and 93, 493, ladies and gentlemen, 493. It's a predetermined pivot, okay? Support, alrighty? That will not be taken easily, that is, okay? All right, so we have our first support. Many things are gonna happen. So in other words, 25, pivot high 27, 2 points, hugging 25, right? And okay, right? All right, 25. Okay, there it is, 25. Okay, we have 25, 27, and the odds are breaking of every single pivot low that we have on the left, and a continuation all the way to 93. All right, so that's what we think is going to happen. Remember, we trade what we think. All right, do we not? All right. All right, let's see then what are the levels that are going to give this down move a hard time, right? Two reasons. Number one, so that we expect the behavior of the price when that happens, when it reaches those levels. And number two, and equally important, could that level all of a sudden become so strong that the smart money decides to bounce and take it back up, destroy 25, 27, and go to the moon and go all the way back to 545, right? That's what we have in our mind right now, okay? What if? Always thinking what if. All right. All right, so we are going to move the low of the way from 16, we're gonna move it all the way to 8. Now we have a pretty decent wave. Remember, we don't have to wait for the open for the price to break it, all right? This 16, 17 right here, right now, all right? Okay, that's why we opened the mic at 9, because, 50% of the time, we have a trade going before the open, right? Sometimes we have to wait until the open. There is nothing happening, right? No volatility. We totally have to wait for the open. And sometimes we even have to wait until after the open. All right? So we are in we are no longer in a whistle wave. We are now in a snake wave, in which 08 is the low support, we're supposed to buy it, and 27 is the high, we're supposed to sell it, because it's a sideways action. All right, what are we expecting? A break of the low 16, 17 nicely when the volume comes. Why? All right, because we are below this 25, which is extremely important. Okay, this 25 right here, it's a key level. All right, do we have any levels of resistance above 27? For now, we are okay. We don't care that much. Of course we do, but let me go look. Okay, here it is one. Alrighty then. Okay, here's the first level of resistance. It's 35. Okay, so draw a line right there, 35, just like I'm doing right now. All right? Okay, 35, 27, 25, bearish bias, 22, the mid-range when we open the mic, and I told you this is going down from 22. So anybody that took a shot right away, 22 to 16, all right, at 6 points already. Now that we are out of the woods, right? We need a nice break of 16, 17. Look how the price bounced off of it, right? It rejected that level, but that's what we want. We want a clean break of 16, and then we expect to continue comfortably going to 08. Okay, 10 is the okay, 10 right here is the low, right? Okay, and we expect the market to take it, right? Now, how does smart money do this? Well, all right, time right now 9:19, and okay, 9:19. So how does smart money do this? Well, many times if they're gonna break 16 and continue to 10 and 08, then they're not gonna make it easy, right? They're gonna try to rally it, make everybody, retail trader, believe that that's a double bottom. Well, the reason is bouncing right here off of 16, 3 point. It's a double bottom, self-fulfilled prophecy, right? Right here it is, double bottom. That's the only setup that the millionaire teenagers on YouTube know. It's an area of demand, right? It's a self-fulfilled prophecy. Oh my God, yeah, okay. 16, remember 16? It's a whistle. Alrighty then. Okay, time right now, 9:20, 10 minutes to open, right? That the bears were in control, right? We don't want the price to go to 22, okay? But if it does, we are totally prepared to continue shorting 25, 27. We have to watch it. We have to see the action right there, right? And a clean break of 27, we know we're going to 35.27, 3, right? 8 points. Alrighty. Short from whether we are short 22 or not, it doesn't matter. That's what's ruling the market right now. Short 22. Okay? Other than those who were able to take a shot 27, my respect. I take my hat off. Beautiful, right? But we can always get a test of it, right? Okay. Sometimes the smart money is vicious enough to rally the price all the way to 25, 27, no man's land, and then we'll be there waiting for it. Sometimes they don't. They just continue going down right off the bat. Hour 22 short. Okay. Okay. All right. So time right now 9:25, 9:26. 4 minutes to open. We all know the open. Needless to say, I don't have to tell you the open. The open can easily bounce off of the low here 16 and destroy 22, destroy 25, destroy 27. It is not until it destroys 27 though that we know it's going to go to 35. All right, so we have a minor support here, 16, right? Minor support here that we are expecting later on to be destroyed, continuation to 10 and 08, right? So that's target 1, and we're going to take it from there. All right, so open is coming. We're going to be totally prepared. All righty, okay. All righty, my friends. Let's do it. Oh, so remember, we are here to milk the market. All right, so we're short from 22. All of this was forecasted. I told you, we don't have to wait until the open. Sometimes they break before the open. Look at that, they broke through a minute ago, right? This is exactly what we want to see happening, okay? This is exactly what we want to see happening, okay? Let's ride this baby all the way to 10.08. From 22 to 10, that's 12 points. To 08 is 14 points that we're looking to make on this trade, target 1. All right, those of you who are all in, all out, it's okay. Those of you who are all in, all out, it's okay, as long as you get back in, all right, unless I tell you not to. Here we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so, all right, so far so good. 11, right? From 22 to 11, we're up 11 points. Okay, 10.5, right? Okay, we have to be on the lookout for a nasty retracement. Nasty for us, the Bears. Beautiful for them at the Bulls. Okay, I believe that's 10, right? Beautiful, 10, right? Remember that 10 is the high of our 2-point range. 08, 10, okay? This is a self-fulfilled prophecy, okay? Be strong, right? And remember, we always have the mid-range. 8, 10 was the mid-range, 09. If you get out 09, I'm okay with it. You're not gonna get in trouble with me if you get out 09, right? Price just went to, look at that. So let's go ahead and put the 09 here. That's the exact mid-range, right? Alrighty then. This is what? This is target 1, isn't it? Okay. What is it that you're supposed to do at my target 1? Counter trend long, right? So those of you who are long 09, you're having fun, right? All right. You're having plenty fun. You're short from 22. Take it all the way to 09. You make 12 points, 13, 11, 10, 12, 11, 13 point. Right here, you lock 09, take a counter trend long with the micros or with your other accounts. So remember, we trade 10 contracts here. 4-3-3, or you can do 3-4-3, or you can do 3-3-4, right? It's to your preference and to your liking, right? So we're short the ES. We lock target 1. We go long counter trend the micros, because by definition counter trend is against the main trend, and that's a cliche that I'll have you know is true. All right. However, because we trade CTC system here, we know that our levels of support and resistance are strong enough to make it worthwhile. And remember, sometimes our counter trends end up being the beginning of a new trend. All right. So we're long 09, and look at this beauty, right? 15. So we're up 6 points on the counter trend. And what time it is right now? 9:35. Check this out. Where is it going to? Oh my God. Hour 16, Capi. Holy cow, I can't believe it, man. That's right. I know it's hard to believe that there is a system that can call all of this action way before it happened, so that we are completely and totally prepared to take full advantage of it. That's how this is done, ladies and gentlemen. All right, look at this baby. You love it? Look at that 18. So we are 9-09. We're 10 points on the counter trend, right? Oh, Capi, so what the hell ever happened with the main play? Take it easy with the main play, right? If this 10 points took your trail, then it's okay, right? You just made from 9 to 22, that's 13 points, okay? And now you just made 10 points. The main play remains bearish until I'll tell you it's not anymore, or number 2, you see a clean break of the 27. Remember that we are the only ones in the world and Deutsche Bank that know the importance of 25, right? What do you think, that the market is going to go to target 2 in one straight shot? No, but we have 25 backing us up in terms of we knowing what the price is doing at all time. This beautiful bounce doesn't change the fact that the bears are still in control. All right? So this bounce right here, this beautiful bounce that we took advantage of and we just made 10 points, right? We're using it as an interim trade. The main place is still short. I am still expecting a break of 08 and a continuation all the way to 93. I am still expecting that longer term. This is the ebb and flow of the market. We all know that the market moves. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, right? This rally that we took advantage and we went long counter trend, that doesn't mean that we're going to get out of our main play. And those traders that are indeed all out because they want an amazing risk-reward ratio in terms of their wins, they're all out. You've got to take advantage of this rally, of this bounce, 10-point rally, to get back in short until I tell you, don't be short anymore. Right? Okay. That's still the main play. What invalidates what would invalidate the main play being short anymore? Clean break of 25 and 27. What else? We know that if the price takes 25, that's it. Bulls are in command. We're going to see shenanigans 25, 27, and then we're going to be looking to buy support and take it to 35, because a clean break of this range right here is going to take the price all the way to 35. So what are we going to do? What do you think we're going to do? We're going to, the counter trend long that we took 09, we're going to keep it. Right? If it goes right back down and it destroys the 08, which is our option 1, then we're done with the counter trend. All right? You just made 13 points on the way down. You just made 10 points on the way up. Look at your P&L. You're happy. You got to go play tennis. Go play tennis. That's it. You're done for the day. All right? But you know exactly. We have a plan. We have a plan every day. Right? We have a plan. You know exactly what it is we were expecting since 9 a.m. And continue watching it. All righty? Okay. Okay, my friends, listen. This OA just became really strong. So I'm not expecting the price to take it. Bulls just came to the rescue. Price right now, it's 10, right? 10, 11, 12. Bulls just came to the rescue. So this is good news and bad news. Which one do you want first? I'll give you the good news first. The good news is that because it became so strong, if the price takes it, then the odds that indeed will go into target 2, which is 93, are pretty good. Okay, that's the good news, right? And the not so good news, because it's not bad news, because remember, all right, so we just took 10 points on this counter trend long, and those of you who don't trade scare money, okay, you still, you still have 2 units left on the main plate. Sure, you have 2 units left, or maybe you have even 3 units again, because you took advantage, just like I told you, of that 10-point rally to establish a new position, sure, or you just added to a winner, right? Okay, all right. So the good news is that if there is a break of OA, our main play has bigger odds to indeed continue going to 93. 93 is pretty good, right? All right, that's 15 more points. From OA to 93, 15 points. To 10, 17 points. All right, that's the good news, because we prefer the price to break the low, because we want to make those 15 points with the bigger position, with the ES. However, I can tell you right now that the bulls came to the rescue. They're going to try to defend this low right here. They're going to do everything in their power. This is one of our signals. Remember the gold digger that we had yesterday? He ended up giving us like 20 points as a counter trend. Well, this is pretty similar to it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we call this a bullish finger. All right, right now we are in a bullish finger, so it's okay to have a position long, the one that we took 09. It's okay, because the bullish finger that we have right now going says that the price is gonna go again back to 16 and it's gonna test it. Alrighty, so oh my God, I was flat, I'm gonna go long right here. You know you're taking an aggressive trade, right? Because we are already long from 09. No, Capi, what the hell is the matter with you? I got the hell out, man, when the price went to 19 and then it recalling and came right back down. What do you think? That I was going to stay long? I understand. I totally understand. I'm telling you that this low right here is strong enough, right? Because I believe in my setups that they're going to try to go all the way to 16. It is any longs. It's a counter trend until the bearish setup entire environment, it's invalidated. Boom, look at that. 10 cannot take it. It has to go right back up. Look at it. I'm telling you, what do you think? I haven't seen this setup a million times before. You know exactly what I'm telling you. Right now, scalpers, if you're trading 10, 20 contracts and you go long right here and the price gave you 3 points, you're the hell out. You just made 2-3 grand, right? It all depends on the on the account size. Look at it again. Boom, '09, and look at it, 9, 10, 11. I'm telling you. So those of us who are short, 22, expecting the price to break '08, and we see this action right here. And I tell you, hey, listen, this is a bullish finger. I've seen this set up a million times. So what does that do to you? You are expecting the price to behave in this manner. It's unbelievable. You are expecting the price to behave in this manner. So now that you know that we have a bullish finger '08 and you are still short 22, you know how to better, boom, you know how to better manage whatever position you decided to go with. Here, if you are a CTC trader, you're both, right? But I understand that everybody has their own agenda. You want to go play tennis. You don't do counter trends. You're more comfortable trading with the trend. You are, who the hell knows, right? Boom! Didn't I tell you that the bullish finger is strong enough that it was going to take the price all the way back to, where did I say it was going to take the price all the way to? 16. What is that? 17. Boom, bang, bing. All right, so this is how real trading is. Live, real time, as is happening. No after the fact garbage. I went long 80 contracts. I bought 80 calls, and let me show you my millions, my $90,000. None of that garbage here. This is all live, real time, as it's happening, and I'm describing to you before it happened. Look at this, right? Isn't this candle right here a bullish candle at 946? And how long before 946 we knew that we had a strong support here? We knew it not only when we took the counter trend, and we knew it about 5 minutes before. And then 5 minutes later, it forms that bullish candle right there. What do you think? We're gonna wait for the candle to form? Fuck that. We're not gonna wait for that. We're gonna do it when our system say it. Boom. '09 to 18. That's another 9 points. Oh my God, Capi, unbelievable, man! I can't believe it. That's right. Take it easy. This is all chop. All right. Right now we are in a 08 20 sideways structure. Remember, long time ago, before the market broke 16, we were in a 1627, and I told you, okay, we're gonna make that a whistle, and then we're gonna bring down the low of the wave that is coming in the future, and we're gonna make it a '08, right? Those of you paying attention, writing everything down, writing these levels on your chart, you know exactly what I'm talking about. All right. All right, enough blowing my horn. Let's continue. All right, the idea is that we are profitable every single day, period. Some days we're gonna make 1 point, and other days, like yesterday, we're gonna make 60 points. All right, as long as they're all green, then we're good. All righty. Okay, because trading is a lot more than just having an amazing system, right? It's more than having the Holy Grail, which we have the Holy Grail here. But it's more than that, right? You still have to have cojones, right? And you still have to be a decision maker, you know? All right, ladies and gentlemen, factory orders.
Turnaround Funhouse.
All right. I don't know. You tell me. Is that 24? Okay. Is 24 1 point below 25? I think it is. All righty. So why do you think that that it recoiled all the way? Look at that. Oh, please, that's too much. All right. Okay. Okay. So think about this, right? You are long. Yeah, I know. Okay. You are long from '09, right? So no stress. Oh my God, is this thing gonna take 25 and 27? Big deal. Yeah, sure. The position that we have long, right, is smaller than the one that we have short, right? That we continue having. Remember, you are right. The this massive bounce retracement, right? Takes your trail. Remember, stop break even, start trailing, right? It takes your trail. It takes your trail. You know 25, don't you? Right? You know 25. Do you not? You short 25, price goes to 26. That's 1 point of hit, and bam, 19. You're up 5 points on an add to a winner or establish a new position. Tell me that you're not blown your mind. Tell me, with this volatility, every single one of all our entries are razor sharp entries. Boom, 25 goes to 26. Not only this is a razor sharp, look at it. Okay, razor sharp and beautiful. Okay, look at that 19, right? You just cannot take it. Look at 22 helping us here a little bit, right? Alrighty then. So what are we? So what do we expect now to happen? Now that the volatility is gonna start diminishing. Well, 16, 27, 27, 16, 10 points right here. And what's gonna happen? That's our job now. All right, so we're gonna chop these 10 points. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so which one is the one that is gonna be taken? 27 or 16? That's exactly what we're looking at right now. That's why I told you, don't, right? Just keep your long '09, right? You know 22, target 1, and what is target 2? What is target 2 for the counter trend long '09? Target 1 is right here, right? 22, 27, right? Oh my God, that's 5 points. Sure. Well, that's target 1. All right. What's target 2? Anybody? Target 2. Anybody knows? A clean break of 27. Where is the price going to continue going? What do you think that is? Target 2. All right. Okay. 35, Shawnee. You are completely correct, my friend. All right. So a clean break of, remember, 25, 27, no man's land. We take a shot short 25. We know it's a beautiful resistance that the bulls are not gonna easily take. Boom, it gives us a recoil all the way to 19. The main play still is sure, make no mistake, when the smart money is vicious and they want to destroy all the bears, this is how they do it. They take an almost 100% retracement. That's how they do it, right? Right. The teenagers on YouTube, those in their demo account, those that went short, they were not expecting this vicious bounce so fast. So they started adding to a loser, adding to a loser, adding to a loser. By the time the price goes to 25, they take a humongous loss. and now they have to go back to another prop firm, right? And they just they just blown their account. We, on the other hand, know since 9 a.m. the importance of 25. Righty? Okay. All right, let's see. Righty? Okay. So, I'm not expecting a break of that 27 and a continuation to that first 35 resistance. Okay? The odds are that we will continue going down. Boom! Look, I mean, this is what, like 5 seconds after I told you we continue going down. So what do we have now here? We have again that key level 16. It is still there. Once we take it, then the odds increase that we are gonna continue going down, and at least we are going to test the low again. All right. So as of right now, we don't have the odds as to what's gonna be taken first, 27 or 08. Okay, but still, this is a 19-point channel structure, right? We are short 25. We were beautifully salivating when we saw the bounce rally take the price all the way to our strong resistance. We go take 25, and now I'm telling you that that the odds continue being, look at that, 16, right? The odds continue being that it's going to continue going down at least to the low. And then what do you think is going to happen when it goes to the low? We'll see about that. Alrighty, we'll see about that. Look at this beauty. All right, okay. All right, so we're gonna do it. All right, so we're gonna bring 93 back, right? Remember, we put 93 in the back burner when we saw that massive rally, which we took. We took advantage of it from 09 to 26. Right? That beautiful, huh? Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. Sure. Of course. 16, right? We're going to have a little bit, we're going to have some dancing here. 19. But the odds are priced right now 16, 17. The odds are, ladies and gentlemen, that it will continue going down, and I'm expecting, of course, another dancing around here. Remember, when it goes to 08 again, that's going to be a triple bottom, self-fulfilled. This is where all the teenagers, millionaires in YouTube, are going to tell their naive followers that after the fact, if it works, that they make millions of dollars on that one, right? All right, okay. Some days we're gonna be like them, and be able to trade like them, right? That's our hope that we can, right? They've been trading for 6 months, and now there are these big shots. Well, it takes longer for some of us. It takes longer to be able to trade consistently, be able to read the market, right? Alrighty then. Let's go ahead and continue watching. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is important. All right, so this right, this 19-point structure channel that we have right now, it's getting it's getting remember, we need to know at all times exactly, who's coming, who's going, why, how is he getting, why, are we bullish, are we bearish, who's in control, right? So we believe that we are in a sideways channel, right? And with a bearish bias, right? Bearish bias. As long as the price is below 25, we're expecting the price to take 08. That's no longer the case. All right. Bulls decided to come, out of God knows where, and now the odds that it is 08, the one that is going to be taken before 27, are the same. Right now we are in a 50-50 chance. Okay. Okay. So in other words, we were on a bearish channel. We're no longer in a bearish channel now. Very slightly. Okay? So what do? Hold on to your short 25, expecting the price to test the low. Now, we were expecting an okay break of the low. Well, that's not gonna be the case anymore. In other words, that triple bottom has a good odds of working. All right. So with that information, what do? I'm gonna log, whatever position I have here. I'm gonna log some, start trailing, and stop break even, trail, and if there is another vicious bounce, I have a tight leash, right? I'm not gonna let it go back all the way to 27, because now this channel is no longer a good bearish odds. No longer. Okay. All right. But we are below 25. We are below 22. We are comfortably below 16. This is all good for those of us who are short 25. But we want to know the future. Remember, we are all about prediction, addiction. Okay, we want to know what the odds are as to what the price is going to do next in the future. What time it is right now? 10:22. Terrific. Everything we've done up to here. All right. Beautiful. Big shot. You're lovely. It's done, right? No after the fact here, like all those YouTube channels. No, we don't do after the fact here. We're interested. Time right now, 10:23. All right, what's going to happen at 10:24? 5, 6, 7, boom, 11:30. The other one, 10, 11, quarter to it. The future. That's what we're interested. All right, so that we can position ourselves accordingly and expect the price to do it, because we have the statistics of the system that we trade. Period. And we've seen it a million times, right? And I've been trading the S&P 500 for 37 years now, straight. So I've seen this many times, right? Okay. All righty then. Let's see. So it's called trade management. All right. That's where we are at right now. And the market is dynamic, isn't it? Capi, what is dynamic means? It means that I can change hats to bull any second. Stay bearish, go snake. 10 is no longer strong. 08 disappeared. 27 it's changing. Everything is changing here all the time. And that's why I tell all of you 100% focus and concentration. 99% is not gonna cut it. All right? All right. All righty then. We have to respect the market. Okay, I'm gonna say it again. Right? Full concentration. This is a game for the kids on YouTube, right? There's one born every single day. There's a new kid on YouTube, big shot trader. That's a game for them. So they're scamming their little innocent, good-hearted traders that want to make it. This is not a game for us, all right? That's why I don't take looky-lookers here in my room. I don't take looky-lookers. I don't take hobby traders. If you're a hobby trader, I don't take hobby traders here, all right? I don't take freeloaders either. You know how many freeloaders on YouTube? They're all freeloaders. They all want everything for free. I don't take freeloaders. I don't take hobby traders. I don't take looky lookers, right? This is the real thing. You can tell. Step back. Step back. Look at your chart. From behind. You know how many retail traders are destroyed completely today? Totally, completely destroyed. Right? That's what the market does. Boom, back to 10. Right? I told you, we are in a 19-point channel, and the short 25, we are expecting at least a test of the low. Didn't I tell you that? 10.09 again. Boom. That's 25 all the way to 9. And now right here, okay, it's time for the smart money to destroy the kids that only know areas of demand. All right? 09, right? So this is our target 1 right here, 09. So we're locking 25 minus 09, right? 25 minus 9. How many points is that? That's 16 points that we just made on this one, because this is target 1. What do we want? We want the price to finally destroy this low and boom, and go where? 93. Is that going to be straight? I don't think so. Remember what I told you. We are on a snake channel structure now. But that's why we do trade management. We are expecting the price to indeed break it and continue to 93 and give us, how many more points is that going to be? Like, I don't know, whatever. 15 more points. We want 15 more points to target 2. Here it is. Target 2. 93 that we've known since 9 a.m. Time right now. What is the time right now? 10:28. All righty. Okay. Boom. It's not. Listen. Don't think that this is a clean break. It's not. Look. It took 08 and it goes to look at it, to 07. And this is how I told you. Remember, we not only want to know what the price is going to do, but how it's going to do it. I told you, right? We're not in a bearish channel anymore. This is going to hold. Boom! Isn't this what I just told you? Price goes to 6/4, and it just cannot continue clean break to the downside. Do you see that spike all the way back to 10, from 6 to 10? All right, 4 points in 4 microseconds. That's the action that we're going to have here now. 0610. Boom, 0610. Oh my God. But we are strong. And we go with the odds. And we go with the main play. And we go to target 1. Why do you think this is holding? Because everybody's getting out here, number 1. And number 2, the teenagers are going long in their demo account right here. Because it's a triple bottom. Right? But they don't know. They don't know the future. We do. We're going to 93. Okay? What do we want? A straight line drop to 93, right? Boom. That's what we would love to happen. That's not how it's going to be. So, be strong. And we have our points of resistance, right? And we're going to let it ride to 93, target 2. And then we'll see what we do. Okay? Alrighty then. So 93, back in business, baby. All right. Action here. 8, 10, now 6, right? Momentum takes it to 6. A whole bunch of traders that only trade one setup, they go long here below 08. They're going long 07, 06. Expecting to get lucky and have the price bounce off of it. They're going to scalp right? They're trading 10, 15, 20, 30 contracts. You know, a couple of points is going to give them a couple of grand. They're done. All righty? Okay. We, on the other hand, we're not after a couple of points, right? Yesterday we made 60 points. And today we might make 60 again, or maybe even more. The important thing is not what we're going to make, but how we're going to make it. Look at the bounce. Back to 10. 6, 10. 4 points. We know. So, because we want to not only know, I'm going to tell you this like a million times, right? We want to know not only where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. Because if you know how it's going to get there, then you're going to be in a much better position to manage your trade, your position. You know? Boom. Okay. So for how long did we know that it was not going to be a clean break? Right? Time right now. 10:32. When did I tell you that? About half an hour ago. All right. 93 is back in business. Now we want 16 to clinch, and main play is still bearish. And let's continue managing the position. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So, think about this. Let's go ahead and analyze what just happened, right? You know how many real traders, not the kids on YouTube, they don't count anymore. You know how many real traders went short believing that, oh my God, this is going to be a breakout, and it's another fake breakout? They're being destroyed right now. We, on the other hand, knew how the price was going to behave right here. I told you, the odds are, I told you two things. Number one, the channel is no longer bearish. It's a snake now. It's a big snake, 19 points, number one. And number two, that's one of the reasons that the triple bottom is kind of going to work. So we knew this. We knew this action right here. Price goes to 06, and look at that beautiful bounce all the way to 16. Oh, gee, Capi, it went to our first resistance. So what does that tell you? Terrific. This is exactly what we want. We don't want the price to take a 16, right? Because we are expecting eventually, right, the you know, if it's ever gonna come, that break of the low and give us that 93 that we're after, you know, as long as the price doesn't give us a new substantial information as to whether this low is the low of day and the bulls took complete control and they are looking to break the high and change the long term, the overall market direction, change it to bullish, then we're gonna remain short. That's it. Until I tell you otherwise, or until you see a clean break of 27, or a clean break of 22, or a clean break of 16. Clean break. Alrighty? It's got to be one of our levels. Period. If you see a spike at a different level other than one of ours, it doesn't matter. It doesn't count. Not that it's not gonna work, but it doesn't tell us anything. Let's start from the beginning. Right? I have good news and not so good news. Oh, okay, good. Let's see what he's gonna say. 25 just got stronger, a lot stronger. Hey, Capi, can you do me a favor? Yeah, what's up? Can you please tell me what the hell does that mean? Got stronger? What does that mean for me? Okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna tell you. It's got a lot stronger. What do you think it means? what is 25.27 resistance. So it's going to be even tougher now for the price to take it. This is just new information. I just got this one hot off the press. Okay, so if the price goes all the way back to 25.27, should I short it again? Absolutely. What do you think stronger means? Aha, that's the good news. What is the not so good news? Still good news, but what is the not so good news? Aha. All right. Just because 25, 27 got a lot stronger, what does that mean? That there is guarantee that the price is not going to take it? We all know that that doesn't exist in this game, right? So, we're back to where I told you the other day. A clean break of the high, it'll go to 35. So, sure, it's good to know, right? Direction is king. So we have to wait for confirmation. First, it's not going to take it. Second, if it does, it needs to be a clean take. If it is, there is enough gunpowder to take it to 35. So with that information, again, you know how to much, much better manage your positions. So we need to know all of that. Not only where the price is going, but how it's going to get there and what it's going to do and how it's going to do it. 16, boom, clinching. Just cannot take our first level of resistance. We have 16, 22, and a 2-point range, 25, 27. Okay, here it is. Okay. All right, my friends. I just got a call from JP Morgan. And there is a support above 93. Gee, I wonder which one is it. All right, so I'm gonna say it again. There is a support above 93. Okay, so in other words, clean break of the new low 05, price it'll continue going till we expect 93. However, there is another level that is going to stop it. Which one do you think it is? Anybody? Right? I don't want you to get distracted of your position. You know that I require 100% of your concentration, but if you are comfortably so green and you know exactly what you're doing and you want to, to tell me, but you don't have to. You're not here to post anything. You post if you want. All right? Okay. Okay. Bada bim, bada boom. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay. Which, by the way, is one of our resistance as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if the price is going to do exactly what we said. All right, let's see if the price is going to do exactly what we said. Yeah, Capi, you've said so much, man. What is it that you're referring to? To the overall market direction. The sideways action, this channel, 527, 506. 21 point channel, right? Direction is king, right? Direction is king. Boom, boom, boom. Direction is king, and we have just a little whiny, tiny probability that it is the low, the one that is going to be taken. That's it. But for now, expect this sideways action, this 21 points. And, think about it, right? So we went counter trend long at the open, right? When we hit target 1 for that short 22, that brought us all the way to 09, counter trend long once, counter trend long twice, and that's the one that takes the price all the way to our short 25. Look at it. That's our second entry short that gave us a ride from 26 all the way to 575. We know the structure and the direction is sideways, so we know that low it's a counter trend long because, right, the main play has remained bearish all morning long, not without first taking this massive rallies, because the smart money is vicious, taking the stops of all the retail traders, all the weak traders, right? And we counter trended long, and we go with the smart money. This is unbelievable. All right? Okay. Boom. All righty. And here we go again. Right? Here we go again. And then our last counter trend long, 06, 07, 08, right? The low, the one that I told you is a self-fulfilled prophecy. It's a triple bottom. It's going to go long. When the price takes 08, a lot of amateur, boom, 27, they go short, and it's a fake breakout, right? Okay, so we are right now at the high of this structure, and we all, remember what I told you, 5 minutes ago? Okay, alrighty then. Okay, of course, what do you think the astute trader is doing right here at 27? Well, how many points are we up? Are you kidding me? 15, 20, 25, 25. We're up like 60 points. Can you afford to take a shot short 27, which is the high of the current sideways channel? We know that a clean break of 27, price is gonna continue to 35. If we don't get a razor sharp spot and a fabulous recoil, then we are expecting, look at this move up. Beautiful, right? We are long all the way from the low 06 on a counter trend, right? And we know that a clean break of here 27, there is nothing stopping the price to continue to 35. That's it. Time right now, 11:20. In 10 minutes, official chop begins. Check your P&L. Are you happy? Are you satisfied? Are you willing to continue trading? Absolutely. Alrighty, let's watch it. All right, let's watch this 27, 28. Let's watch it real close. All right, clean break, nothing stopping it to continue to 35. How long have we known about 35? Tell me, how long? We've known about 35 since the open, since I opened the mic. I gave you this level a long time ago. It is a predetermined pivot resistance, 35. Look at this fight right here, right? Look at this fight right here, and what can I say? Oh my God, Capi, I took 28, man, but look, it's not recoiling fast enough. I'm going to get the hell out, break even. I don't want to take a chance anymore. I understand. No problem. All right? Okay. But remember, okay, remember that the main play is still bearish until I tell you not anymore. It's just that if the smart money needs to continue destroying the bears, they're going to take it to 35. That's all there is to it. All right? In the meantime, we are all long the low 06, 07, or 08. So those of you who are counter trend long and this up move, right? Which is not a reversal yet. This is just a retracement. It's just that it went all the way to the high of our channel structure. All right? What do you want? Are you kidding me? You are out of that shore long time ago. And you are only counter trend long. So what do you want? Of course you want the price to destroy 27 and go all the way to 35. Well, but you need to know that that's the second option. All right? All right then. Okay. We need to see a clean break of it for us to believe that the bears are not in control anymore. All right? So remember what I told you this morning. Those of you who are still here. 25, 27, now 28 is no man's land. It's no man's land, but of course it is still resistance, right? 27, right? This is all resistance. Price takes our key level. Remember what I told you about our key level 25? Price takes it. Momentum takes it to 28. That's it. This is all momentum. This is smart money destroying the weak, right? The weak bears. 3 points above 25. 1 point above our 27. And look at that. Boom. 28. You're sure. Again, main play, sure. Oh my God, Capi, I'm gonna buy a Lamborghini today. Well, don't count your your chickens yet. All right? Yeah, sure. We had a nice recoil off of 28, but I'm telling you what time it is. Number one, it's pretty close to 11:30. Number two, the market is out of balance. Number three, we are in less than a two-dimensional environment. And number four, are you kidding me? Look at all these up and downs, right? So those four pieces of extremely important information got you tighten your leash and getting you almost ready to get the hell out of here and go play polo. No, Capi, I have a small position. I don't care. You know, I'm gonna let it ride. And if I get taken out, remember, Capi, you told us to go to phase 7 about half an hour ago, right? Yeah, I did. Okay, so that's it, man. Okay. Beautiful then. All right, so 24, 28, 4 points right here. It's going to be a little fight right here. And it's just a matter of see what's going to happen next. All right? We are long, also, right? We are long from 06. Price just went to 528, right? 528, right? Minus 506. How many points is that? That's 22 points. 22 points that you have to get the hell out here, right? You have to get out here. Not all out, because I just told you, bring 35 back. 35 is back in business, baby. Right? Oh, which, by the way, I forgot to tell you. 500 psychological level is that support between the low of 5 and 93. It's 500. All right? It's not just a psychological level. It just so happens to be a prosodical level as well. All right? Okay, so we're going to forget about it now. And then we're going to do what we always do. All right? We're gonna concentrate on that 35, right? We don't want the price to take the 28. We don't want it to be a clean break, right? We know there's going to be a fight here, these 4 points, 24, 28, but we go with the odds. Okay, it is not until the price takes 25 again and we are comfortably below 25 that we believe that the main play short is not going to be taken. All right? That's it. Time right now, 11:26. All live, real time, as is happening. Okay? So we all have our own size account. We all have our own different agenda. We all, have our own way of looking at things. We all have to go to the restroom, right? Some of us don't have, 3 assistants to babysit our position. God only knows, right? And that's why my job is just to tell you exactly what the market's going to do, how it's going to do it, when it's going to do it, why it's going to do it, where it's going to go, the strengths of the different moves, so that you, the trader, make a decision. All right? I'll tell you what's the exact best entry to get in, what's the best stop, where to get the hell out because the setup has been invalidated, where the price is going, target destination, right? Right. Direction is king, entry location, right? Target destination. Position size. Some of you have 100,000 account, small account, and some of you have $1 million account, okay account. All right, gotta do what you gotta do. All right, 24, 28, 24, 28, 24, 28, 24, 28. Okay. Oh my God, Capi, look at this, man. This is a classic, what the conventional technical analysis setup looked like, man. It's like an ascending triangle, man. This thing's gonna break 28. How many times we've seen an ascending triangle be a fake breakout? How many times? 1,000,000 times, right? Oh my God, look, Capi, that looks like a flag, man, to me. That's a bullish flag, man. How many times have we seen a bullish flag not work? How many times we've seen a head and shoulder? How many times we've seen a Fibonacci level not holding? How many times have we seen the CCI and the stochastic and the Bollinger Bands overbought, oversold, and continue going overbought until the account is depleted? How many times? That's why we don't rely in any of that. I don't want to call it garbage because it does work sometimes, but what do we care, right? We go with a different analysis. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 24, 28. That's it. Time right now. G, 11:30. What do we do at 11:30? We don't take new positions. We know that the odds diminish beginning 11:30 for some reason. It's when the official job begins, right? So continue managing your current position, right? The long from 06, 07, 08, and expect the price to take 28, and you can be confident that it'll go to 35, right? That's it. That's the counter trend, and the main play short clean break of now 28, right? Because it tried to take 27, it couldn't. Try to take it once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times have tried to take it. It cannot take it. Oh my God, Capi. I can't believe it, man. I wasn't, I didn't look at the market like that before, man. Thanks, buddy, for directing my attention to every single second, every single move, man. Now I understand what you mean by full-on concentration. I'll just make a decision right here. As soon as anything happens, I'll make a decision. That's all there is to it. All right, enough of me yelling. Hey, listen, ladies, you guys are my members, and I, when I'm excited, that's just my personality. I talk strong, right? Okay, I play a strong game. All right, you guys are the reason that I'm here. All right, don't always remember that. The reason I'm here, sharing my 37 years of trading exclusively the S&P 500 is because of you. All right. So when I speak that strong, it's just because I want you to pay attention. All righty. I've had thousands of traders throughout my career. Okay, I'm telling you, and I've had so many hobby traders and so many my looky lookers and so many, that all right, good. So look at that, my friends. Right, look at it. Right, boom, bim, bam. Don't you think for 1 second that we are out of the woods. No, we're not. 24, 28. 24, 28. Okay? Alrighty then. Anyway, so gotta tell you, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday's video was almost 2 hours long. I know, you already went through everything that we did yesterday, but I gotta tell you, you've got to watch it over and over again, because we don't have a beautiful trending day like we had yesterday often. So if you watch it over and over and over again, you're gonna learn a lot. Today's video, it's already 1 hour and 22 minutes. All right, because I pause it when we are in massive chop, so that I don't make it that long. But today's video, I dare to say that it's even more important. But why? Because today's action is 10 times more difficult than yesterday. Yesterday, we nailed the beginning of a trend, and we wrote it 55 points, 45 points at the opening, and then 50, almost 60 points, right? That's beautiful. That's not easy to do, but we nailed from the beginning. Today, look at all the entry shorts that we have, all the counter trends, the action that we have right now. Are you kidding me? Every single word that I've said today, you have to memorize it. Look at the video so that tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, those of you who are real traders get to know exactly how I read the market. Okay, so let me make sure that we're clear. It's not 24. It's 20. Okay, all right. It's not 24. What did I say? 23. It is 23. Where is 23? Here it is. All right. This is the real micro chop. This one right here. Okay. 23, 28. All right, so this 5 point right here are gonna be a pain in the butt. Gee, I wonder why. Could it be because because time right now is 11:41? Yes. Where is the price? Above or below 25? Above, Capi. Okay. So as long as the price is above 25, who's in control? The bulls, Capi. You told us. Okay. All right. Okay. So bulls in control, totally. Micro chop, 5 points, 23, 28. Bulls in control. Clean break of the high, which we haven't, we just don't see it, right? But if we see it, then there's nothing stopping the price to going all the way to 35. Is it gonna be one straight line? Well, what the hell knows? Look. Right, 27, cannot take it, cannot take it, cannot take it, cannot take it, cannot take it. They're getting tired. They are getting tired as well. Okay. we are on phase 7 because, all right, I'm going to say this again, our aim is to be profitable every single day, whether it's 1 point or 100 points, period. And that's it. And you will never get distracted, get away from that rule. That's a mandatory rule. All right? That's it. All right? So, nice break, right? Off of 28, right? Off of our 5 points. Look, remember I told you it's not 24, it's 23. Correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't this 20? Isn't this low right here 23 quarter, 23 quarter, 23 quarter, one tick to our 23? So do we know for real what the real micro channel is? All right. So price goes all the way up. Boom, it takes it, right? And we expect a continuation to 35. All right. What invalidates this scalp? A break of 23. What else? What do you think would invalidate it? A break of 23, right? Price comes right back down all the way to 23. 23 is support. If it takes it, that's it. Stop trading. Period. That's all there is to it. Main plate short, invalidated. When? Right here. That's all there is to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And that's going to do it for me. All right. Okay, so hopefully you all have fun today. Remember, if it's not live, it's not real. If you're going to follow somebody, anybody that is trying to sell you a garbage trading education, tell them, all right, I'll buy it. But you have to trade it in front of me, live, real time, and read the market as it's happening if you want me to buy your crappy BS trading course. Period. That's all there is to it. Because if it's not live, it's not real. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so price never took our low 20. Those of you paying attention, you're saying to yourself right now, oh my God, this is unbelievable. Look, 23, 28, right? 5 points that we knew we were going to be chopped liver. Remember, we had 24, we move it down to 23. Look at that. Price goes, the closest it goes is to 23 quarter. Cannot take it, cannot, all right? Fake, fake breakout. We know that having taken 25, the next direction is up and destination to 35. We know that as long as it doesn't take 23, right? It cannot take 23. It tries, cannot take it. Clean break right here, and there is nothing stopping price to continue to 35. Target 2 is now 35.42. Oh my God, that's 7 points. Yeah, that's right. 7 points, all right? As long as we are above 35, I am still expecting a continuation to 42. However, listen to this. It's not going to last long. We are not in an uptrend. All right, we're not in an uptrend. Oh my God, what do you call this move up, man? Well, depending on the time frame, I don't call it a time frame. Above 25, we've known since 9 a.m. that the bulls were going to take control. They're in complete control right here. We have the support, break structure, micro, and it goes exactly to where we said it was going to go.